Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock app on Android. Now if you have built-in app locker in your phone, then you can lock your app without any third-party apps. But if you cannot find app locker in your phone, then go to Play Store and then search for app lock. Now from here install this app lock, and after install open this app and then tap on allow, then tap on start. Then draw a new app lock pattern. Then draw your new pattern again to confirm it. From here you can add your email, which is optional. And now I skip this part. Then tap on finish. Then tap on grant permission and give permission from here. And then go back. Then tap on grant permission again. From here give permission again. And then go back. And now you can see app lock is enabled. Now from here you can lock any app as you want. If you want to lock Facebook, just tap on this lock icon and it's done. Now if I close app lock and then open Facebook, and now you can see app lock is enabled. Also, if you want to unlock your apps using your fingerprint, go to app lock and then unlock it. Then tap on settings. Now here you can see use fingerprint to unlock option. Then just tap here and it's enabled. Now if I open Facebook again and then scan my fingerprint and it's unlocked. And that is how you can lock app on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.